Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day to all my beloved students in soft skill UHS 1021 and UHS 1022. So ladies and gentlemen, one of the requirements for your CID project is you have to complete CID step 2 and CID step 3, in which step 2 is the problem identification and also problem analysis, while step 3 search for information, information management, and for solution. I think you can refer to Kalam for the detail of the rubrics, for the details of the rubrics on problems identification. And I think you can see from the rubric, there is a blank template to fill in the details about the problems identification, including the questions such as what is the main situations or issues or problems behind the topics. And also question number 2, analyze the situations or issues from different perspectives to identify main problems. Okay, and each of these phase, either in step 2 or step 3, it weighs for about 10%, and in total both weigh 20% from your CID project. So ladies and gentlemen, and for step 3, search for information, so information management for solution, the details that you have to fill in is the relevance, information, and reference. I think this you can fill in or reflects how much you think you have searched for the credible, legit, and reliable source. And number 2, what is your initiative and effort for your self-learning? Okay, I think you can also refer to the rubric in Kalam. So I think to simplify your process in phase 2 and phase 3, I made a simple template, which is a metric comparison. All right. So if you can see here, this is a metric comparison of, let's say, your project CID project title is unemployment among among graduates during pandemic. Okay. You can fill in this detail by metric comparison of, for example, metric comparison of unemployment on university graduates during pandemics. Okay, so if you can see here, the requirement for a degree, at least I need you to compile or search at least 15 article journals, and also a book and newspaper are unlimited. While for diploma students, I require you to find at least 5 article journal, and book and also newspapers are unlimited. It means that you guys can find how many you think is relevant to your scope of study. Okay, it is unlimited. Okay, it is unlimited, and depending on your on your scope, on your scopes and on your studies. And this is the template. This is the template. Number 3, you can delete example from Asano and Ahmad Hash and replace with your source. Okay, so this is the example. I give you an Asano, Tanaka, and Sura in 2015, and also Ahmad Hash. Okay, what you can see here, each of the columns are names, names with author, title, link, issues or problem, factor, solutions, and also conclusion. Okay, I think I have taught you on how to find a credible article journal, or finding the source from books or from newspaper. Right. So for the article journal, right? Okay, for the article journal, you can simply search from the Google Scholar. Okay, I think I will give you a direct. I will give you a direct hands-on on how to search the article journal. The article journal, and then you can fill in the information. Fill in the information from the template. Okay. All right, I give you an example here. Okay, you open your Google Scholar, and let's say you want to find some things about Tibet leadership. Okay, of course lah, I would like to pick my article because this is the most easiest studies, and I think, okay, you can put site here. And then remember, our format of citation is APA. And then very easy, okay? You click cite here, okay? You click cite, and then after you click cite, there's a different formatting, yeah? MLA, APA, Chicago, Harvard, and Vancouver. Okay, you pick APA, copy here, and then you fill in from the in the template. Okay, so you fill in from the template. Okay, copy paste. Okay, and you fill in here. Okay, all right, done. Okay, so now remember, in here you have to include the link. Okay, link which you have retrieved that kinds of journal. So right, you click this link and it will direct you to this one. Can you view the full article here, view PDF, and then when you click there, view full versions of this article, you might find the full versions of this article. What you have to do, okay, you have to copy here the URL. Okay, the URL you have to copy here, and then you copy and paste here, copy and paste here. So when I do my cross check, when I do cross check, I will copy paste these links, the URL, and then if it direct me to the full articles, okay, I can verify whether what you have put in the template is accurate with your understandings, and also is it accurate with the article that is being written by those author. So remember, each and every articles, either from newspapers, from the journal, from the book, you have to read it thoroughly and make your extractions. Yeah. So after you have read, go thoroughly, go into the detail. Okay, you might find out some of the problems, that is being mentioned that leads to the direct you to the topic that is being discussed in CID. For example, you want to do something about metric comparison of leadership issues among younger people, for example, in CVAT. So when you read, you got the extractions. Oh, you found out that, the extractions of this article is TVET education viewed as a second-class education. That is the main problems, for this article. And then you go thoroughly, you make your reading. Okay, you make your reading. Okay, and then you found out the factor lead to this problem is, number one, societal stigmas in it is the underpaid job. Number two, the mainstream education is the most preferred educations. And number three, the job scope is unpopular. So you gain this perspective from your readings to that article. And then solution, all right, solution. Okay, after you have made your reading here, okay, you found out that the solutions are strengthen the TVET education since primary school. And then the solution number two, made a massive promotion to people. Number three, broadcast the success story of TVET graduates. That is the steps or strategies on how to position TVET, since the issues is leadership, leaderships among younger generations in TVET, for example. And lastly, on conclusion, okay, when you read your article, okay, the article, you find that, the conclusion, okay, and then you put it here. Challenges, roles, and characteristics of TVET leaders are tougher, for example, and then to position TVET leaders play a vital part, especially in communicating and conveying, conveying the message of advantages on TVET education. Okay, all right. Okay, so this is the example of on how to do a metric comparison on your CID project. So guys, remember what has been stated in the rubric, in this blank template. It requires you to identify the problem, the main situations or issues or problem behind the topic. I do believe if you have list out, if you have list out sufficient numbers of article journal, for example, degree at least 15 article journal. Okay, if you have list down here 15 article, you might triangulate. You might triangulate the point here, issues problem. Let's say article number 1 says is Article number 2 says about this. Number 3, number 4, number 5, until 15, you got the same pattern. Okay, you got the same patterns of classification, classifying the problems. Then you can triangulate those point and then make an extraction. All right, make an extractions, and then you can simplify it in your own word, saying that yeah, the problem identifications of TVET educations among in leadership among youth is because, okay, it's because why? The generational gap is too wide and the pandemic situation doesn't permit them to expose themselves, for example. Okay, and then from problem analysis, you also do the same, yeah? You will also do the same, okay? Compare article number 1, 2 in problems, in factor, okay, compare article number 2, 3 until 15, and then also compare with newspaper, yeah. And you got the gist of information, yeah? You got the gist of those articles saying that, oh, the factors of TVET education being less preferred is because it doesn't have a massive promotions in mainstream media, for example. Okay, the same thing happened with CID phase number 2 and CID phase number 3. I think for CID step 3, CID step 3, you see, relevance, information, and reference, I will cross-check here, okay, with the link you provide, okay, and also the author, the title. Okay, I will cross-check whether it is accurate source, whether it's legit, credible, then I will evaluate you from there. So guys, I will include this in your Google Classrooms, and you guys have to search for this information, and please repeat my videos to understand more and understand in depth about what you have to do. Okay, simply by submitting this template, I think so. CID project in phase 2 and phase 3, I think it's complete. Okay, I think there's no other things that I want to highlight. Hopefully, you guys can complete your first phase 2 and phase 3. That's all. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum and goodbye.